Dongguan Zhaopeng Lighting Technology Company was developed out of New Sunshine Lighting Incorporated, established in 2004. It is a high-tech enterprise specialized in energy-efficient and cost-saving LED lights. Our 2,000 square meter factory is located in Dongguan, Guangdong, China, about 40 kilometers away from the Hong Kong border. Equipped with over 100 well-trained workers and highly qualified R&D engineers, our products include LED corn bulbs, E26, E27, and E39, E40 base retrofit kits, smart LED lighting, temporary work lights, fishing lights, and others. Our products have been widely installed all over the world. They include street lamps, cobra lamps, canopy lights, Acorn fixtures, and post-top fixtures. Our lights are used for residential and also commercial and industrial. Places include schools, factories, warehouses, supermarkets, hospitals, gymnasiums, and other outdoor use locations like campgrounds, construction lights, and boats. All of our products comply with CE, ROHS, ENEC, as well as the American certificates UL, ETL, DLC, and EPA. Proudly being one of the first manufacturers of the LED corn bulb, we have patents in mainland China, Europe, and the United States. The company's registered trademark, New Sunshine and Zhaopeng, enjoy long-standing reputation of excellence in the lighting world and is well recognized by our millions of customers. With a service center and warehouse in Los Angeles, California, and our design and manufacturing units in China, our supply chain is slick, speedy, and efficient. Based on our philosophy of having mutual benefits, we would love to build a brighter future together with clients from all over the world.
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night